Saturday morning, we actually woke up early enough to go to the Winter Garden Farmers Market. So let's go check it out. Alright, where is this thing? I don't know where this thing is, but we're walking down the street looking for it. We see a tent. Should be it, maybe. Yeah, there we go. So it's not on the main street, it's on Terra Main Street. Here it is. We found it. It's right across from the little train museum. Coconut water and pineapple. Well, there's my coconut water and Tressy's pineapple.
Juice. Pineapple.
Yeah, this thing weighs like 30 pounds.
So good.
Coconut water's good. I've never had it like this.
Yum, yum.
Lots of goods, lots of stuff.
A lot of crazy.
Nice everywhere.
That's so cool.
Mm-hmm.
That would be a child's dream.
The place is huge. I'm gonna have to try that out. I didn't know that was there. Mangoni Italian Market Pizza. Sounds good. Boba tea. The dogs everywhere. It's dog friendly for sure. Ceviche, guacamole. What's this? That looks good.
Paella.
Paella, yum. If I can get something that looks like that. Let me some paella for sure. Yum. Fresh guacamole sounds good. Ceviche. Yum. Something over in the corner of this little green. And it looks like there's animals to pet. I'm getting a workout. This thing is at least 10 pounds.
What do you mean, what are we doing?
My assumption was correct. It's a petting zoo. I see a little mini cow.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, there's a goat sitting in a chair.
I just put these chairs.
This is where Tressie lives. Look at this. Hi, buddy.
Oh, they're adorable.
This goat's in
Little
a chair.
pig.
The little pig. Oh my god. Look at the goat in the chair. They look very happy. Wouldn't you be if you got petted all day? The cow looks kind of confused. Like, what's going on?
It's your job to just look cute and hang out. Oh, look at this little pig. Oh my goodness. I just want to go live on a farm with all these dudes. Hi. Oh my goodness, you're cute.
Gassing up the cow. I guess they run on gas. Get your gasoline.
Little bunny. They're all friends.
No, but this is the only one. Let's go pet the cow.
Getting his gas. I like this guy. This guy's knocking the fence down. Being defiant. So yeah, they all run on gas. See? I'm not lying, it's just gasoline. Noah's Landing Zoo.
Okay, I now think we live in the best place ever.
Just this petting zoos.
There's so many food choices here that look so good. They have hot dogs, baked empanadas, Cuban sandwiches, and even a breakfast menu over here. That looks really good. Shrimp and grits, and biscuits and gravy, and some arepas. It's like a Black Brew Bros coffee, ceviche. Yeah, I need to look all around before I make a decision. But it's definitely a foodie paradise here. Yum.
A fruit and vegetable stand under here.
Wow. Here's where we should get our sweet potatoes.
For sure. Yeah. It's a big line to get out too.
Underside here. It's just nothing but fruits and vegetables. As far as the eye can see. It all looks so good. Ooh, look at this kale. It looks so good. Looks like they have fish dip, chicken pot pies, gourmet dips. Dips are always a staple for festivals like this. It looks good. Stock up over here on some fresh seafood. Look at all that. Whoopie pies. And the pickle patch. Gotta love the pickle patch. Here's some more. Kind of looks like what we just got. It actually looks a little better. It's in a tiki hut. And then we got another coffee stand here. And a huge stand with organic produce and meats and dairy from local farmers.
You know, it's just like I got 1,000 miles.
I like this sign. It's kind of old school. The pharmacy. Get it? I like it.
All right, we're at Piccolo Coffee. We can get 2 Florida honey lattes. Nice. Sounds good. All right, so we just got our Florida honey latte
It's really good.
from Piccolo. I think that's it. There it is. Piccolo Coffee. It's really good.
It's like 2 shots of espresso and it's how I'm making it.
Yeah.
So it's really rich. You can taste that coffee. It's delicious.
Didn't need any sugar. That's how I usually judge it if I have to put sugar in it afterwards. It's definitely sweet enough and tastes like honey. Love it.
Nice live.
Yes.
Steam hot This is cool.
Yeah.
It's like they're made out of old watches. Freeze-dried food, free samples, and look at these gorgeous flowers. Those are super pretty. Wow. Lots of dogs out here, so here's a treat stand for the pups. And tons of local honey. I like that. Olive salad. The problem is you can't decide what you want to eat or what you want to get because there's so many good things. Orlando City pasta. Fresh pasta. Yum, yum. Look at all these cute little handmade aprons. I love the chicken one. Oh, I love all this local spirit type stuff. Cheesehead, Claremont. I love Winter Garden. Adorable. Is that a map of Disney? I think so.
Alright, Tressie found a postcard size print of that big Disney print she wanted. It's 80 Newton here. We got some stickers too, we'll show you later.
We have some really cool large prints, but
Yeah.
I think I'll start with the small.
We'll start with this. It's like $3
Yeah.
versus us buying a fully framed $100-something thing, which we would, but I don't want to carry it around today.
Oh my goodness. This is like sensory overload for the eyes, the mouth, the ears. And then right above us is the cute little Winter Garden water tower. Love it.
That was our stroll through the Winter Garden Farmers Market. It's
probably one of the best farmers markets I've been
For
to.
sure, it's so huge, and there's lots of good stuff. You know, usually you go to these places and it's the same old things, but there's a lot of different things here. Enough.
I could definitely see us
Yeah.
frequenting this one.
Oh, for sure. You just got to wake up early. You got to get in that routine. She worked the night shift for years, so we never got up early for so many years. So we're just getting used to this. But
Now I'm a night person. No.
yeah, now she's waking me up, going, "Let's go, let's go." I'm like, "Whoa, what's going on here?" It's only 7 o'clock.
One last stop. I want to go to the flip-flop shop
Flip-flop shop. Let's check it out.
because I want to get you
She
some
saw it.
flip-flops for the water parks this summer.
She saw Tim Tracker go there. She wants to go in there and give me some weird flip-flops that are $200. Flip-flop shop.
They're called Hey Dudes, right?
Hey dudes. Tressy's got me trying on these Hey Dudes. They're pretty sweet. Just gotta find my size and my color. Thinking this color is pretty cool, but I gotta get a smaller size. So this charcoal color is my favorite, but I don't have my size. But
These Hey Dudes are really cool shoes that we found. Jesse tried on like,
she won't stop until I find a pair. So.
he's got to get some. They're cool.
What about the blue ones?
I like them all.
I like gray. Well, I got myself some new Hey Dude shoes. Wasn't expecting that. Thank you, Tressie,
You're
for
welcome.
keeping me styling.
What are you going to get me?
Ah. Good photo op here. Pretty cool. Alright, we're gonna grab a bite to eat at the deli downtown. Always walk by here when we're going to the Thai restaurant and stuff. Let's go check it out. We got lots of sauces here. Kernel cleaner.
Colon.
Oh, colon cleaner. Yeah, not kernel cleaner. Kind of soda. I got birch beer. I used to drink the heck out of that when I was a kid. And black cherry. Salad sandwich.
Italian dressing. Oops.
Drop the Hershey's Kiss.
Pickles.
Good looking Italian sandwich there. You get roast beef.
Roast beef with cheddar and horseradish.
It's really good. Not too expensive either.
Yeah. Didn't know that.
Well, that was a good little snack lunch.
Yeah, and the prices are really reasonable there too.
Yeah. It's good to not spend $50 on lunch sometime. Deli downtown. Cool. We will be back. And maybe we'll come back next Saturday or 2 weeks from now for the farmer's market. It's getting hot out though. Jeez, it's like 86 degrees today. Now what? What do we do now? Skies are blue. Alright, we're signing off for Winter Garden. So if you like the video, just like it, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.